Bitcoin slipped below the $100,000 mark this week, breaking a level it has held since June and raising questions about what triggered the sudden move. One surprising theory being discussed online is whether a newly announced ban on cannabis played a role in the shift in market sentiment. The decline began shortly after reports surfaced about tighter restrictions placed on cannabis distribution in certain jurisdictions. While the ban has no direct connection to Bitcoin itself, some analysts say the move may have added to a growing sense of uncertainty among risk-on investors. Headlines tied to regulation, whether related to cannabis, crypto, or other industries, can amplify caution across broader markets. This can push traders to reduce exposure to volatile assets like Bitcoin. However, most experts agree that the weed ban is only one part of a larger picture. Bitcoin had already been facing increased selling pressure, driven by concerns about slowing economic momentum, shifting interest rate expectations, and profit-taking after months of strong gains. With institutional inflows softening and retail traders showing signs of hesitation, the market was already vulnerable to a pullback. The cannabis news may have simply added another spark to an already cooling environment. Even with the drop below 100,000, long-term fundamentals remain intact. Bitcoin's supply schedule has not changed, ETF demand remains historically strong, and institutional adoption continues to expand. Volatility like this is normal, especially after large price rallies. What traders are watching now is whether Bitcoin can reclaim the psychological level of 100,000 and restore bullish momentum, or whether market uncertainty will continue to pressure prices in the short term. For now, analysts emphasize that one regulatory headline is unlikely to be the sole cause of Bitcoin's movement. Instead, the drop reflects a combination of market forces, shifting sentiment, and the natural volatility that comes with a global, 24-hour asset. As the situation develops, investors will be watching both economic indicators and regulatory signals to understand where Bitcoin heads next.